I started out by cutting the side pieces of the bridge on cardboard. So I had 2 little ramp pieces for the ends, and then a middle piece was an arch. And I made it in 3 pieces so that it would be modular, and I could use the ramps as just ramps, or if I needed a longer bridge, I could make a second arch and just insert it in the middle. I used some bricks from last week, and I cut these bricks into 8 smaller ones so that they'd fit better around the arches. That way there would be smaller gaps and it would just look better. I glued the bricks onto the cardboard using PVA glue. A little bit of overlap's fine, it's pretty easy to fix later. After the glue dried, I trimmed the edges with a knife so that it'd be flush with the cardboard. I used larger stones to fill in the middle, and I could have left the inside hollow and used cardboard to support the bricks like I did with the sides, but I decided to just make it solid foam. Once this dried mostly, I trimmed the sides so that it'd be straight. I had issues with the glue not being completely dry. Some of the bricks slipped out and it was a little bit of a mess, but I made it work. I covered it all with Mod Podge, and I used this to glue a few more pieces to fill the larger gaps, and as well as a few bricks on the edge of the centerpiece of the bridge as like a railing kind of thing. I didn't add this railing to the ramp pieces since I wanted them to be modular as either ramps or upside down for like a bridge going over a ravine. For painting, I just did a gray base coat with a white dry brush. I went a little heavy with the stippling of white. I wanted it to look more like the white bleached kind of look like Roman bridges. Then I finished it off with a black wash. And there it is. If you like this video or found it helpful, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more terrain content like this, crafting and building, consider subscribing. With that, I'll see you in the future.